everybody, it's your girl Elo for life, and today I'm coming to you all with another video on how to properly shampoo your hair. I've actually was shared some great tips from a hairstylist, so I thought I would come on here and share them on my channel as well. So what you see here in this clip is pretty much, I'm actually rinsing out a hair dye that I put in my hair. And I'm making sure that all of that gets out of my hair first. So let's pretend like that I have product buildup in my hair. So usually, ladies, we have like gels, edge controls, hair oils, and hair butters in our hair for either from protective styling or just regular styling, period. So what you want to do is you want to saturate your hair first with water, with warm water actually, because what you want to do is remove as much product buildup as possible. Now, before we get into the next clip, I want to emphasize that if you're not protective styling, you should be washing your hair every 10 to 14 days. Yes, I said it, every 10 to 14 days. You want to do a thorough cleaning of resetting your hair so that it can intake the proper nutrients that it needs, and so that our hair is clean and healthy. So the first thing you want to do, or the second thing you want to do, is you want to wash with a clarifying shampoo. So the shampoo that I'm currently using in this clip is from Taraji P. Henson. It is her clarifying shampoo that I recently picked up from my Target store. And this is actually my first time using it. Now, check this out. Now, I did show you my previous clip that I was rinsing out dye in my hair. So I'm using the clarifying shampoo, and typically you will use a color treated shampoo after you dye your hair, but this is my hair, and for the sake of the video I'm trying to show you all these tips. So with the clarifying shampoo, you only want to use that once at the max, but if you have a whole lot of buildup in your hair and a whole lot of product, you can use it twice. But you only want to use clarifying shampoo one time to get all that buildup and curd off your hair. That's why I emphasize that try to get as much product and buildup out of your hair with lukewarm water in the first clip, where you saturate your hair with water and you try to clean it as much as possible before doing your clarifying shampoo. And the clarifying shampoo is just an extra whatever we do on top to make sure all of that curd is gone and have been removed from your hair. So now we're going to start from a clean slate. So the next thing you want to do is you want to wash with a treatment shampoo. Now, what is a treatment shampoo? A treatment shampoo is typically your regular shampoo that is not a clarifying shampoo. So say for instance a moisturizing and detangling shampoo, as what you see here in this clip. I am a big fan of Design Essentials products. I absolutely love their products, and I have talked about them in my previous videos. And these products, or this shampoo, is one of my go-to shampoos when it comes to moisturizing and detangling my hair. Now, typically what I do with my treatment shampoo after I have clarified it is that I let it sit on my hair for 3 to 5 minutes. I let it do what it needs to do, and then I'm going to come back in and I'm going to rinse that out really well. So you definitely want to do that. Another treatment shampoo could be a protein shampoo if you need some extra protein in your hair. But in this sake, and in this instance, I need a lot of moisture in my hair, and I knew that going in, because if you see my 90-day hair challenge videos, I've had my hair up in ponyed in a protective styling with hair wigs. I let it alone, and it did have a lot of buildup on my hair. So this is the reason why I clarified it, coming with my treatment shampoo, and it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to just treat the hair after a clarifying shampoo. So those two shampoos serve two different purposes. And make sure you wash your hair really well and get all that shampoo out of your hair. And that's what I have done thus far. and we're getting ready to move on to our next clip. So in our next clip, what we're getting ready to do is we're getting ready to add in the deep conditioner. Now, with the deep conditioner, you're going to want to detangle your hair, as you can see here. And this is just me checking out my hair, making sure that the dye took really well, and that just doing a double take on making sure that my clarifying shampoo didn't rinse out that color, which it didn't. So ladies, as you saw, I had two combs in the front. I had a detangling comb, and I also had a detangling brush. I used both of those. I also used them on my wigs, especially on my curly wigs, and I absolutely love them a lot. But we're going to take your deep conditioner. In this instance, I am deep conditioning my hair. Now, when you are conditioning your hair, you don't have to deep condition your hair every time you wash your hair. Especially if you're doing this every 10 to 14 days. You typically want to deep condition your hair with one go around, and then the next go around of clarifying and shampooing your hair, you want to go ahead and just use a regular shampoo. Not shampoo, a regular conditioner. And you'll know the difference between your deep conditioner and your regular conditioner, because a lot of times a deep conditioner is a mask and has a lot of moisturizing properties or protein properties in it. So the conditioner I'm currently using is the intensive moisturizing conditioner that came with the coloring kit that I'm currently using. Now, typically I only use this particular conditioner when I'm coloring my hair, but I usually use a different deep conditioner from Design Essentials, and yeah, so that's what I'm using. Next time I deep condition my hair, I will probably use the mask on from Taraji P. Henson, because I am very eager to see how that works with my hair, because it needs to hydrate. It's supposed to hydrate your hair. Now, what I typically do is I detangle my hair and put them in 4 to 6 sections, as you can see, as I'm layering on the deep conditioners. Now, ladies, when you're deep conditioning your hair, make sure you saturate and get your ends, start at your ends, detangle to the root of your hair, but definitely touch on those ends. I always start with the ends of my hair first, because those are the most fragile. And be very gentle when you're detangling your hair. We don't have to be rough when it comes to detangling our hair, okay? Very rough. But I'm not going to show you all 6 sections that I put my hair in, because I believe you all get the drift. And I absolutely love this brush. Now, these my brushes. Make sure your brushes are clean and not dirty, y'all. Okay, don't put the same oily gunk back in your hair after you done already washed it, cleaned it, and putting that conditioner on, deep conditioner on. Now, what you see right here, what you want to do next is, this is an Afro steam cap, and I will be doing a follow-up video review on this cap, on this steam cap, and actual thermal cap. And I will let you all know my thoughts and opinions on that. That was actually my first time using it. So you are going to heat and steam your hair for 15 to 20 minutes to get it a very good deep condition, okay? And at this point, I feel on my hair to see how it feels, and it feels very nice, soft. It was a little dry from the heat itself. However, your main purpose is to do what it needs to do. So once you untangled your hair, and you don't have to twist it up if you don't want to. I just did that because that's what I wanted to do. You're going to want to wash your hair with cool water after your conditioner, and that is to seal in the hydration into your strands of your hair. I did not show this in this clip, but you all get the drift, okay? So moving on, what you want to do next is use your favorite leave-in conditioner. So once again, after you've already rinsed your deep conditioner out in cool water, you're going to want to use your favorite leave-in conditioner. I am using Taraji P. Henson leave-in conditioner called Ride or Die from her Hello Fresh collection, and I absolutely love this stuff. You want to distribute and lightly distribute your leave-in conditioner throughout your hair, about 6 to 8 inches away from your hair, and you want to lightly distribute. You don't want to recondition your hair, so you don't need to use a lot of leave-in conditioner product in your hair, because just remember, we've already deep conditioned our hair in the previous clip. So this is just not to do another conditioner. I absolutely love this product. It makes my hair feel very soft, and it allows me to detangle my strands easily. And as you can see, I love to detangle my hair first with my fingers. That is my go-to method, and then I'll follow that up with a detangle comb, a new detangle comb, not the same detangle comb, a new detangle comb. Okay, so don't be taking that conditioner comb that you just used and putting that back in your hair. So last but not least, because I'm getting ready to prep my hair for a blow dry and a flat iron, you want to use like a frizz tamer or a heat serum to prep the hair for heat. What I typically do is I will detangle my hair, or it should already be detangled. And what I love about the product that I'm using, which is called Cheese Silk Reflection, which is hard to come by these days, it leaves a very smooth, shiny, and what do you want to call that? I want to say detangled, but a slip. It gives me a nice slip on my hair. So I absolutely love the Cheese Silk Reflection hair serum to close up any of the cuticles on my hair. So that's what you can do next. And what I am doing is I'm going to just comb out my hair, and this goes through very smoothly. As you can see, I'm starting from the roots to the ends, and that comb is just floating right through my hair. I'm going to plait my hair up in 46 sections. And then what I am going to do next, you all, is I'm actually going to let my hair air dry 90-95% of the way. And the reason why I do that is because I am natural. I don't like to use a lot of heat on my hair, and I am going to let it air dry, stretch my hair, if that makes sense, or stretch my hair more while it's air drying. And then I'll follow up with my paddle blow dryer, and I don't have to use that blow dryer on each section for a long time. That way I'm not causing a lot of heat damage or any type of heat damage on my hair. And especially since I have that heat silk reflection on there, that even gives it even a better double up. So with that being said, thank you all for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Rate, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will definitely catch you all in my next video. God bless.